Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Payette River Cabin. I am in the master bedroom, and we would like to discuss so that you have full information on how to use the television. So, a lot of remote controls these days, a little confusing at times. It is Cableone. So we have a Samsung TV and a Samsung controller, just so that you have the general idea, so that you're aware of what you're working with. There is the Cableone remote. And so this is the Cableone box. What's going to occur is when you push the power, it's going to typically turn on both the TV and the remote. Now, in this instance, it didn't turn on the TV. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the TV button. It lights up, and then we push the power. And now we have Clark Gable. All right, so for the most part, this is a very simple television. There's not a lot of options. It only has the direct, or actually the Cableone, I was going to say satellite, but obviously it's just cable television. All you're going to be able to do is just really deal with the volume, up, down, and the channel. Now, if you were to bring your own Wi-Fi enabled device that you can connect to this, that is possible, such as, well, not a Wi-Fi, but I guess like a smart TV. If you had, for instance, the Apple television or Roku or something else, you are able to connect. You can then connect, so that's possible. If you have your own PlayStation, Wii, Xbox, you're obviously able to connect to the back of the television as well. And then if that is going to be the case, then you would utilize the source function and then change the function of which one you would like to select. But for the most part, I'm thinking that you're not going to be doing that. And if you need to power off, the same thing, you're going to push the power button. That's going to turn off the television. And then I can still see that we have a blue light on the power. So we're going to hit cable right here. And that flashes red. Hit the cable button or the power button. And then now that's off. So if you have any further questions and you need anything answered that didn't make any sense to you, you can give us a call in the office. The number in the office is 208-634-0030. Thank you.